Thank you so much, guys. Interaction. Please don't forget to interact. Don't forget to post online, maybe the creative sector, and with the hashtag as well. But without further ado, we would like to welcome Mr. Simon Nduli from PRC. Thank you.
Opportunities that are there. Umfowethu la we-NYD uyazisho izinto ezithinta into yebhizinisi, nami ngizosithinta ngoba sumkhandlu wethu, for example, sino-business support, but for whatever reason angiwaboni ama-artists kwa-business support. So I will go through some of the things. uSimon Nduli esibeshilo wakwa-Arts and Culture emkhandlwini weTheku. Singaphansi kwe-directorate ebizwa ngokuthi Recreation and Parks, and broadly i-unit yethu esingaphansi kwayo ibizwa ngokuthi Community Services Support. So u-Arts and Culture unama-pillars awu-7 esithi masebenza somkhandlu weTheku silandele wona. Onke lama-pillars they are there uku-assista as ama-artists. Ipillar yokuqala sibiza ngokuthi is just to identify. So we identifying, si-identify i-talent elikhona, then si-identify nama-stakeholders akhona esingasebenza nawo, o-back center nje, baningi oshwini, and so many other stakeholders, even individual artists. So we do identify you, and once you are identified, sine database. At the moment we campaign yokuthi sithole wonke umuntu involved with creative industry abe kule database yakwa Arts and Culture. Ngiyazi ukuthi mangathi phakamisana izandla sibona abantu abakwi database yakwa Arts and Culture, probably kuzoba umuntu oyi-1. That already it's a problem. Ngoba if you are not in the database, kusho ukuthi asikwazi ukuthi ukhona uya-exista wenza lento oyenzayo. Okwesibili kusho ukuthi ama-opportunities umevela wena azokugeja ngoba we don't have your email, then ngeke sikwazi ukutshela ukuthi kunento ethile, kunento ethile, kunento ethile. So that pillar to identify talent and stakeholders is number 1. Number 2, sinepillar esibizwa ngokuthi is to develop. So i-focus yethu kakhulu sumkhandlu weTheku Arts and Culture in particular development. That's why if you notice programs that we support or organizations that we support organizations that are involved kakhulu kwinto ye-development. So there are many programs that we are running our development. Uma nje ngingabala sine program ebizwa ngokuthi eThekwini Star Search, where every year we go out there to look for a talent across the disciplines, our performing arts, whether it's music, whether it's dance, whether it's theater, whether it's comedy, or whether it's poetry, or izinto culture for that matter, including iNtombi, nokulungiswa kweinsizwa. All those programs are supported under the program esibizwa ngokuthi i-development. And we extend it and have what we call community development. So literally, development is the second pillar, and then we are focusing on it. Esithathu is to promote. In terms of promotion, that's the mandate esinikezwe yona as Arts and Culture, to promote arts and culture. And ngiyazi ukuthi igama elithi arts broadly should include different disciplines, but at the moment, emkhandlwini weTheku, umuza kuthina Arts and Culture, can tell you now, i-focus yethu, not necessarily correctly so. I think it's an issue structure. We are working on it, and I think we need to correct that. But at the moment, arts, sifocus on performing arts, njengoba bengishilo, kuno visual arts, obizwa ngokuthi visual arts okay, maybe I need to have a visual art. It's a film. We've got the film as well. So we've got visual art. We develop art gallery. So visual art hollow Dr. Kagaza, and then we've got the film hollow Sharon Gumete. these naturally belong to arts, but at the moment zihlezi la sihlezi khona. But ngiyabamenshina laba leader lawo ma divisions, so that uma ukhona la visual artists, then you know, oh, kumele ngikhulume no Dr. Kalaza. If ngikwa-feeling kumele ngikhulume no Sis Sharon Egumeli. But we are working on ukuthi sihlale together. Already feeling they have just joined us, I think 4 months ago. Since us joined still arts and culture, and then we are growing. About no visual art now very soon. Uzobe let's join us together. So that was number 3, to promote arts and culture. And then number 4, we focusing on preservation. The preservation, but how are we doing this? In doing it, we are also creating opportunities even for our feeling. Since Monday, we are attending Durban Screen Summit, ICC. I spoke there on Monday. There are opportunities for our film as well. With preservation, what we do with preserving the culture, as you know, so as example, Igom, for example, it's a genre night, but are we capturing that? Are we having documentaries? Are we talking to the theaters or Big Nas? We have one member left, Big Nas. We need, as artists, to capture these moments, send some documentaries, those that do research and write, so that we make sure we preserve what we have created, what belongs to us. And now that particular pillar, the preservation, creates opportunities that you as young people or as artists any of our services yet. So ngelinga kumele ukufike nje thina so arts and culture ukuthi I mean ngumuntu wecamera ngikude nje with camera ngizwile ukukhuluma ngento ye preservation singasizana kanjani ukuze ninginikeze assignment maybe in focus. For example, we've got Mkhumbane, kunomkhumbane jazz, obaba sebakhulile bemkhumbane jazz. The story of Mkhumbane has not been told yet. So we need you to tell that story. And you know, I'm sure you are aware ukuthi UKZN, for example, so in Durban as a city, we are the first city in Africa to teach jazz formally, a jazz curriculum in 1983. Some of you know that. But that's a historical fact that we need, of course, my child is but do we know that? But do we take pride, which we were the first to teach jazz formally in Africa? Some of you, it's for the first time in Israel today. I'm making a point that we need people who will preserve the great history that belongs to us as Itegu. And they are musicians, great musicians, Apapa Madala Kunene, Esebakhulile, Umkhumbane Jazz, and some Basesekona. We need to make sure that we capture their stories. And your stories as young people, like Nyenze example Ngeko, that's a new development, but we need to capture that and we need to make sure we say preserve Leon. It creates opportunities for all of us. And then number 5, support. Number 5 is support. This is the big one. Ngizobane slide ngizokhuluma ngayo seriously ngoba I'm sure some of you are here wondering ukuthi ngaso arts and culture umkhandlu wethu how do they support us? So I'll get into details and make points and make indication ukuthi through arts and culture how can we support you. But as a pillar, support, I can say, for me, it's one of the most important. Because here, this is where we apply our mind and say, how do we help the creative industry to grow? I know it's mapping the creative industry. Now, how do we map it together? What is our role as Umkhandlu wethu? Maybe to mention some of the few points, in fact, maybe Isale sengena kuzo lesi slide. Isingene kuso lesi slide se-support. Ngidlule once ngizobuyela emuva ngithathe ku number 6. Here are the things that we do as arts and culture ukuze sin-support. Zoo 3 ama-categories wazo. Eyokuqala sine funding ebizwa ngokuthi granting aid esiyikhipha minyaka yonke. Granting aid sikhipha minyaka yonke. It's a question of you uyi-check mase collaborator nani. Let me give you the tip. When you come to us into the idea of collaboration, we always check who is benefiting from this. Niqaphela izinto ezisuke zizobenefita wena wedwa ngoba sibheka ukuthi kusizakala abantu abaningi. So always come to us with an idea that will benefit more artists rather than you alone. I've just given you the tip. And then you can come to us and then we collaborate. The organizations, afana nama university, community arts development programs, centers, everybody, even individuals, we do. Now with collaboration, even as an individual, you can come to us. Singakwazi collaborate if the idea yakho is good. Then sengihlale kakhulu kwi-support, but I don't mind ngoba I needed to mention lezo zinto ukuze nazi ukuthi ningasizakala kanjani. Then number 6, sesibuyele kuma-pillars. Number 6, to create opportunities. Akhona ama-opportunities emkhandlweni we-tech. There are so many of them. The opportunities that we create, one, we create opportunities for learning and enrichment and skills and so on. How do we do that? Sinokurana workshops. There are so many workshops that we run. And then of course, by extension, we also support strategic organizations that are involved in the development of creative arts. I know that next week we will be awarding abawine granting aid or abathole granting aid next week. So this is an event where we'll be awarding them. So there are 23 organizations benefiting with granting aid who will go out there and help us in table to do umsebenzi wokuthi ama-artists alekeleleke. So siyayipush into skills development. And then number 2, into economic opportunities. Now you may be wondering, but how do they really help us with economic benefits and so on? Ama proposals. There are proposals that come to us. In a festival or so we have supported such programs. So now, if you have a program like that, and you can see the program is was to create job opportunities. Now I'm giving you another second tip. 2 tips already, 3, Mike. The first one, I said, make sure your program benefits as many artists as possible. The second one is, be clear about the impact. Impact is how many jobs are you going to create in a program? Yeah? So if your program is going to help us to create jobs, why not? We are always willing to assist. Number 3, if your program is going to help to develop others, we are always willing to assist. So opportunities are there also for you to perform. I'm sure you didn't notice that programs literally every week. And good amount of programs, we need artists to perform most of the time. There is an opportunity for artists to perform. Now you might be sitting one, but who gets to perform with the You have to be on the database. That's the answer. You have to be on the database so that sikwazi to call your exister and you want to perform. You don't have to have won awards. No. As long as you have the talent, as long as you have the skill that can be presented, come to us and we may assist. And then the last one, social cohesion. Social cohesion, it's a buzzword for arts and culture from national to the province, nathi vele affected. But the social cohesion, ifocus yayo kakhulu, ithi kumele sibe inclusive in our approach and sibe diversity. Njenge city, or rather as the municipality, the metro for that matter, there are many cultures like eThekwini. And as arts and culture, we need to promote all those cultures. South Africa. So, social cohesion, these are programs that encourage ukuthi sibambisaneni, sibe khona unity, sisebenzisane, and siyabheka also ukuthi not only about race, but we also looking at, do we have the youth taking part, do we have the elderly taking part, do we have the disabled taking part as well. All right, some of the opportunities, I will run through them quickly. We share information. Information, remember, because we arts and culture, I was a communicator on national and the province. So when there are opportunities, the National Arts Council, they VULA for funding, they tell us, so to connect with us is very important because you will have information first hand. 2, you mentioned the opportunity of funding through granting aid and proposals. 3, you mentioned the support that we give. 4, the collaborations. 5, we also do the showcases and talent searches in order to identify the talent. You stand a chance now the talent to participate in our programs that we are doing so that you can and then this Sunday, sizobe see a live recording here at eThekwini Gospel Music Crescendos, which is a program, a talent search program to identify the talent with gospel. And then learning skills in Kulumi Lengawo, through the workshops, conferences, and masterclass and summits, chances of performance, you were mentioning it, database. And then we mentioned it also lastly, enjoy business support. Now, when you are a business, let me emphasize this, make sure you are in the municipal supplier database. That's another mistake business people do. If you get a database, you don't do it. And sometimes we get the same suppliers as arts and culture. The same person who's trying to send why do we keep getting the same person? Why do we keep getting the same person who sends audiovisual? It's because you are not on the database. If you are not on the database. So we are trying our artists ngenani database ukuze nikwazi ukuhlomula uma opportunities akhona. Our slide sokugcina sithi thank you. Let me take this opportunity to give you my contact. Angithanda ukukhuluma nje ungeze i-action, so ngiyafisa ukuthi ungizwile kahle ungithi drop the email or maybe your phone or whether you have WhatsApp. Anginayo inkinga ke noma WhatsApp or uyafona. Ngiyathanda ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi what is your take, how would you like us to help. Igama Simon.Ntuli, not to Simon, S-I-M-O-N, Ntuli, ntuli@durban.gov.za. That's my email. You can drop me an email anytime. If you want music, you connect to music. If you want theater, you connect to theater. If you want comment and so on, if you drop it to me, I will connect you with the right people. I can give you my mobile number as long as you guys look for an LFSU 063 3433960. 063 3433960. As long as you phone it, phone is access or WhatsApp and then I'll be able to assist. Yabonga cool. Let's use the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much. opportunity. Kulo ngisabaleka kakhulu. Ngathi sukhona vele usukhona lapha OB.
1, 2. Oh yeah. Sibonga kakhulu once more for such an informative session. Umbuzo wakhe ngifuna ukubuza Simon uthi ungenayo database ngiyangenza njani as artist. Funa i-email yami nami ibonakale lapha ngithi ngiyaqala.
Okay, thank you. There is a form ekhona, you can drop me nje email or WhatsApp khona namhlanje and send me your email ngizokuthumelela nje that form. Or alternatively, I think no, let's do this. This is easier. It's easier because you can go to the website also yomkhandlo wethengi, but you know kuyaphithizela ku website yethu ngoba sibaningi ngakithi. Kuno water and ngembone nje kwesinye isikhathi masifaka into ye-art, hey ngikhuluma ngento yokudansa sinamanzi, so abantu you know they somehow bayifundela amanzi nje nemigwaqo, but the easiest way my artist drop me a WhatsApp inamba yami ngimnikile, then ngizokuthumelela iform or ngizokconnecta ne-office elizokuthumelela iform. But if you go to the website, which is ukuthatha isikhathi, ikhona na kwi-website yomkhandlo wethengi, www.durban.gov.za, but the easiest, nginikeza the easiest, ukuze sikwazi noku-interact, you can drop it to me, then ngizokconnect and then you can get it.
Thank you. Do you have any more questions? I have a question.
Yeah.
My department and staff, because you guys cater for youth up to the age of 35. Arts and culture because I call my arts over my legends and so I want to also my program in
Yeah, that's a good question. Answer yayo ilapha social cohesion, inclusivity, and diversity. Tina so arts and culture, yes, sinawo ama-programs we-youth, but aphelele la, sinayo yonke into, so age is not a factor with us. Whether una 90, you can come to us and do a program. Yabona nje kune program esiyenzayo yama-legends, ye-preservation, it's focusing on abantu abadala. So whether you umdala or you have passed the youth, you can still come to us because we believe. Actually, I was reading something between 30 and 40. Normally, that's the peak for our artists. So asibavalela abantu ngaphandle. So everyone is welcome.
What you do. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much, guys. So it shows that like Imbus.
I think it's the last one. Just for Sunday artists, gospel artists.